Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the Elif statement in Python. So this is going to build on to our other video that I had before, and it's the if and the else and the if statements. So if you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. It will definitely help you for these videos here. Okay, I'm using this. I'm using the IDE or the IDE. I'm not sure which one it's called, but the original Python. And if you don't have this but would like to install it, I have a video on that, and I can leave a card in the right hand corner of the screen so you can watch that video and install it. But let's get started. So this, you don't need to import any libraries, and so we can just get right to assigning variables. So we'll do x is equal to 9. A is equal, or Z is equal to 5, and we can do A is equal to 1, and I think that's good for now. But we're going to do if X is, let's do less than, or no, let's do one that's true, greater than A, and semicolon, print X is greater than Y, or A, then ending, and then we can do a if, so that's stands for else or if. So elif, we can do let's do a different one. A is greater than X, which is going to be false. Print A is greater than X, and then we can do an else statement. Print nothing I have above is true, and there we go. Oops, it is a smiley face there. And if we run this, it's going to do X is greater than A right off the bat, because that is the first one that ran, so it just took that and then it ran the code and then it broke. But if we change this around and we go like this and then we run it, it's gonna nothing above I have is true, because this is false and this is false, so it goes right there. And you can notice this never gets a chance to do anything. That's because we can actually make this true, and if we run this, A is greater than X, which is true, and then it takes that and then it breaks. So it's really simple. It just stands for else or if. But yeah, that pretty much covers everything. I mean, you can do a whole lot with else or if, but that pretty much just covers the basics for the most part. If like you had, say, a role-playing game, you'd do, or text-based adventure or something, like if they choose this path, say you went on this path, else or if you say you went on this path, or you say like else it wasn't any part of those questions that you asked. You say that is not like a valid question, and then you just send them right back to the top of what you were asking them. So yeah, I think that pretty much covers it. You can have multiple else or elif statements. You can do else or if Z is equal to, obviously this is gonna be, let's do less than is greater than A. Print Z is greater than Y, A. I'm sorry. And then if we run this, it's going to print the first one, A is greater than X, and we can swap this value around. Is that what I had it before? Z is greater than A, so this one ran. So yeah, I think that pretty much covers it for all the if, else, and elif statements. If you did like these videos, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.